The talk on the street, bullish sentiments are on the rise, shaking off yesterday's pessimism. The biggest positive catalysts. 1. Hope for Midas peace talks. 2. WTI crude oil slips below $100 a barrel. Bottom line, hopefully, Nifty rockets again on hope of complete US-Iran ceasefire, triggering a strong risk-on rally at Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's super bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1711 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 996 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals indicate a consolidation in a volatile trading environment. FANO April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 20.43 levels. At last check, USD INR, April, is trading firm near 93.19 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.75. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.87. Midcap Nifty is at 1.08. Nifty outlook. Momentum is firmly bullish, but sustainability hinges on all staying soft and geopolitical calm holding. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23775. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 23,527 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,271 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,600 and 24,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76632. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 76,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,650 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,100 to 77,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 54822. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,201 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 56,000 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,100 and 56,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. In Thursday's trade, Nifty bears made a comeback and regained the upper hand. Amidst this backdrop, Nifty snapped its 5-day winning streak. The bearish move was largely driven by continued FII selling, indicating that global investors are not yet convinced by the bullish narrative. In fact, FIIs continue to remain net sellers. Why FIIs remain cautious? 1. Ceasefire is temporary, 2 weeks only. 2. All volatility risk still alive. 3. Weak rupee plus rising yields. 4. Global uncertainty not fully resolved. 5. Better opportunities in other markets. Bottom line. Sentiment is equal to bullish. FIIs flows is equal to skeptical. Long story short, smart money stays cautious, rallies may face resistance. Stay nimble, disciplined, and risk-aware. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Meanwhile, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, reported a robust performance. Tata Consultancy Services reported a robust set of fiscal fourth quarter results, with strong sequential profit growth and revenue beating street expectations. TCS posted a Q4 FY26 consolidated net profit of 13,718 crore rupees, a jump of nearly 29% from the previous quarter, broadly in line with street estimates. Revenue from operations rose 5.4% quarter-on-quarter to 70,698 crore rupees. Annualized AI revenue crosses $2.3 billion in Q4. Deal momentum too improved as the company reported total contract value, TCV, of $12 billion for the quarter, with 3 mega deals signed, taking FY26 TCV to $40.7 billion. 2. Wipro also announced that its board will consider a share buyback on 16 April, alongside its March quarter results.